Feel wonderful. Today we received our 35-year Emerald Ambassador Award for 35 consecutive years, surrounded by loved ones, our family and our longtime friends. Just a humbling day, humbling experience.
I feel truly blessed. If you asked me to describe how my heart is so full of love, and I know how lucky and how blessed we are to be a part of the Aruban people. We are Arubans. I mean, we're Americans, but you know what? To us, we are Arubans. We love this place. We love the people. You know, we love the culture. My heart is full with nothing but just love. Love is how I can describe it. Love.
Well, the first year, it was pretty isolated. I mean, there was goats walking the streets. There weren't all these restaurants. There were not all these hotels. And you struggled to go out at night to go to restaurants because you had to take a taxi everywhere you went. But for me, I prefer those old days. I preferred hopping in a taxi, going on the other side of the island for dinner. Right now, this area is very congested. It's different, but it's still Aruba. It's our home away from home.
And it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
April the 3rd, or 30, I think, I wrote some message to Ricky because a friend of mine gave me a call, say, you know, I have a friend over here, Ricky and Didi, they want to meet you. And so we started to sending each other a message. So today we're celebrating the 35 years. They've been coming to the island since 1991. They've been visiting the island. They love the island so much. They love the culture. They love the people. Yes. And that's our way of you know, being. You know, we Aruban, we always like to welcome our guests and make them feel at home, make them feel a part of Aruba, part
Absolutely.
of us. So the 35 years since 1991 they've been visiting the island. This is something incredible, you know. You will hear that you have repeat guests that have been coming here, but 35 years without skipping 1 year. Not I've heard today not even COVID stopped that thing going on, you know. So. Didi, Ricky, I would like to congratulate you guys for the 35 years coming to visiting our island, and may God bless you guys with much more years, many more years, so you can keep coming here, and you know, you have another friend.
Thank you.
You have a lot more, but you have another one. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Carlos. Thank you.
See you and your family many, many more years from now.